Hello wonderful viewers, welcome back to my channel. I still remain your master Chris. Today's topic is going to be on numbers and numeration. In numbers and numeration we have many varieties, but today we're going to pick on placing values. For example, what is the place value of 3 in 4231.279 question mark. Solution. Here I'm going to show you my poem I use in solving this. We have 4231.279. What is the poem I use to solve it? My left at the decimal point, this remains your decimal point. This is your decimal point. Any travel you make is called decimal place. For one travel is called decimal, one decimal. The next one, 2 decimal point, 2 decimal place. The next one, 3 decimal place. But now let me show you the poem. Watch. My left, my unit, my tens, my hundred, my thousand, my right, my tenth, my hundredth, my thousandth, my left, my unit, my tens, my hundred, my right, my tenth, my hundred, my thousand. But now they say also, what is the place value of 3 in 4231.279? What is the place value of this 3? The place value there is what? Tens. Therefore, the place value of 3 is tens. Hope you found it easy to solve. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell there. Bye bye.